Shaira tired.
Go to 7-Eleven and buy some little bit foods and drink for night because Shaira hungry. We change already clothes. Shaira to change dress.
But we before stay in this hotel where massage.
มันโป๊ะเหรอ
Georgi like this place with massage. Not expensive. Shaira want take picture.
เข้าไปที่อื่นสิถึงเบอร์ก็มาสิ
Savadi, Sabaidi. Before we stay in hotel Savadi. Вот, foods. We will show in hotel room. We will go to Soho Town and take a look. Fruits here. This is Chinatown, Soho Town. Soho Town. Apple mango, 1 kilo, 120. Apple mango is good. It's not so sweet. Tomorrow we will buy fruits, mango, not now. We have foods already. We already in hotel room and show to you what we bought in 7-Eleven. Our foods. It's, I don't know what is cookies. Cookies. 2 bottle water. This is 10 pieces. Oh, they give to us one big, one small. And Shaira want this. Also, I choose this one. Fried rice. And Shaira choose this. Shaira, you can open. Chicken. Oh, chicken. Oh, good with chicken.
With sauce inside.
Soy sauce. And this one. It's for me.
Spicy.
Spicy.
Why is spicy? Not yours.
That's good.